Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Andeman RV Tankless Water Heater, 55,000 BTU, 2.9 GPM, instant hot water system with remote and 15x 15-inch door, 12-volt DC power. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 55,000 BTU instant hot water on demand. Deliver 2.9 GPM continuous hot water in seconds with powerful 55,000 BTU output, no preheating required. Ideal for showers, sinks, and simultaneous RV appliance use. 9-layer safety shield for worry-free operation. Flame, freeze, dry fire protection plus voltage, pressure, polarity safeguards plus auto shutoffs. CSA certified reliability for extreme temperatures and altitudes. Smart anti-fluctuation temperature control. Patented stabilizer maintains plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit accuracy even with multiple faucets running. Enjoy shock-free showers and consistent kitchen/bathroom performance. Dual season efficiency and outdoor-ready design. 2-stage summer mode, energy saving, /5-stage winter boost plus frost-proof front outlet for pets/camping. Wall controller with degree F/degree C toggle. RV engineered space-saving installation. 12-volt DC plus propane dual fuel compatibility. Mounts via 15x 15-inch door with vented compartment. Includes remote for on/off and temp adjustments. Pro tip for peak performance. Ensure propane line over or equal 3/8 inch ID and install in well-ventilated area. Tested for 50,000 plus cycles, backed by CSA, CE certifications, manual included. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.